Hi DensureFit family, Natalie here. Today I want to talk to you about how a properly fitting denture can truly change your life. And why DensureFit Silicone Reline Kit is the best replacement for glues, paste, and powder adhesives. A denture that fits properly can really be a game changer. They boost your confidence, improve your ability to eat and speak, and make everyday activities more enjoyable. But it turns out the best denture adhesive isn't even an adhesive at all. It's DensureFit Silicone Reline Kit. Unlike adhesives, DensureFit is a 3D liner that lasts for months. That's right, months of a secure, comfortable fit without the need for constant reapplication. The silicone molds perfectly to your gums, creating a custom fit that stays secure and comfortable. Applying DensureFit Silicone Reline Kit is easy and simple. Just follow the instructions and you'll have a secure fit in no time. No more mess, no more hassle. So if you're tired of dealing with messy adhesives and constant reapplication, it is time to switch to DensureFit. Got any questions or personal experiences to share? Drop them in the comments. And as always, smile like no one's watching. Bye!